As you can see, this is Tista River. Sevoke is a perfect place for a weekend getaway. If you really don't want to go far as we are going, and you want to visit some place near Siliguri. Yeah, there are monkeys out here. So if you want to have a weekend getaway in a short duration of time, just go out, roam around with your friends, family, and get back quick. Sevoke is a very good place. This is a viewpoint. Sevoke is famous for his monkeys, so you get to see a lot of them out here in open.
Oh my god!
So now we are going out of Sevoke, and next we are heading towards Malwachador. We are at Mongpong. So there is a government resort out here, which will be towards your right. Mongpong Ecotourism Resort through this road. दिल्ली आसाम से कहाँ से हैं अंकल? कहाँ से हैं आप? हाँ? ओके ओके, हैव अ नाइस राइड. Finally, we are going to enter the Guruvatan road. You can see here there is Damdil station to the right, and you can see Paparkheti is 29 kilometers from here. Paparkheti was 30 kilometers and Lava 41. এর মতো কি অবস্থা হয়েছে, ধুলো ফুলো উঠে কাদা উঠে ফুটে শেষ। শুভমায়ের হাতে এই বাইক করলে কি অবস্থা হয় চিন্তা করো, ও পৌঁছে যাবে, আমরা তখন ওই তো শিবক টেবকে আছি। হ্যাঁ তুলি রে, কিসে করে তুলবো? এটা 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 কি হলো, এটা রেকর্ডিং হচ্ছে কেন?